And welcome everyone. So today we will solve Leetcode problem 21, merge two sorted lists. So this problem states that we will be given two lists that are sorted originally, and then we need to combine both of the list into a new list so that the resultant list is also sorted in ascending order. So let's take this example. We are seeing that list 1 is sorted and list 2 is also sorted. Now we want to combine the list 1 and list 2 so that the resultant list is also in sorted fashion. So how we will do this? We will create a resultant pointer that we will return at the end of our function. So now the resultant pointer will initially point to like nothing. Then we will keep one pointer to the starting of list 1 and the other pointer to the a new pointer to the starting of list 2. Then we will check whether our list 1's current value is less than our list 2's current value. If it is, then we will push that value into a resultant pointer's value, and then we will increment only that pointer whose value was smaller. So like in this case both values are equal, so we will just take this value, push it into a resultant pointer, and then increment this pointer to the next pointer. So our L1 lies at this and our L2 lies at this. Our L2 lies at this. Again we will check, compare the values, then we will increase the pointers, and we will keep on doing so until either of the pointers are at the end. Now let's say our L1 pointer reaches end first and our L2 pointer is at here. Then what we will do, since our L1 pointer is ended and our L2 pointer is here, we will just reassign our resultant's next pointer to this pointer, right? Because let's say our resultant pointer, our resultant array, our resultant linked list has become 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3, right? And now 4 comma 4 are present in the list 2 pointers, list 2 linked list only. So we will just reassign the next pointer of this to this portion, right? So it will be in sorted order then. So if our linked list 1 has already ended and our list 2 is remaining somewhat, then that means that the remaining portion of list 2 and our resultant pointer when combined will be in ascending order, since we are always comparing values in between. So if our list 1 pointer is ended and our list 2 pointer is not ended yet, then we'll just assign resultant next pointer to list 2's remaining pointers because they will be in ascending order, right? So let's code this up now. So first we will check if our list 1 is nil. If our list 1 is nil, then just return list 2. Similarly, we will check for list 2. If our list 2 is nil, we will just return list 1. Now we will create our resultant variable, resultant list node, right? And this will be equal to list node. So we will create this resultant list node, and its value will initially be 0 and its next will be nil. Now we will create a new pointer temp which will be equal to res, and then we will do a for loop. So for loop will be till our list 1 is not equal to nil and our list 2 is not equal to nil, and at the end we just need to return res. Now we will check if our list 1's value is less than our list 2's value. If it is, then our temp's value will be equal to list 1's value, and we will increment our list 1's pointer. We will do likewise if our list 2's value is less than list 1's value, then we will just do the opposite. And at the end we will check if our list 1 is nil or our list 2 is nil, then we need to break out of the loop. Else we will create a new list node for temp equal to next. We will create a new list node and its value will initially be 0, and its next will be nil, right? And then we will do temp equal to temp dot next. Now at the end we will check if our list 1 is nil, then we just need to reassign our temp dot next to list 2 because that will be in ascending order, and we will do likewise for list 2. Now let's see if it works. So we have an error here. What is the error? Comma separated. I think I need to put semicolon. Let's see. Expecting comma. Okay. It is expecting comma. Uh, let's see. Do I need to put equal to sign? Hmm. Okay. 10% list node well, and next will be nil. We need to add a comma here and a comma here as well. And now I'll run this, and we can see it works. I'll submit it now, and we can see it works and it is pretty efficient. So this was all for today. I'll see you in next one.